Nice ash butt there. And the brief for this tree is to make a large dining room table straight out of the log, ready to go straight inside green. First thing is, you can see there's a big flare at that far end bit, so I'll knock that flare off and then we'll get a level on the log and see how it looks then. Come across these jacks before, but I'm sure they could be adapted to tree use. Just need a bit of stabilisation. Oh, there she goes. Just added that brace in there. It seems to be holding it. Let's stand back from the blades with me on that side. Battery's not got loads of life, so I've just done another 3-inch slab off that piece there, put it on some trestles, and then I'll try and get a quick snap. I'm going to use the mini mill just to take it down to 40 centimetres, as that's going to be the best. On the main log, mini mill up one side and then down the other. Can't film it because no power, but I'll film the end. So now I'm going to do 2 3-inch slabs for the tabletop. What I've done is I've cut an 8-inch slab and then rolled that 90 degrees. And now I'm going to freehand some vertical cuts. And these are going to be for the legs, and then use the small log mill to undercut that. Getting dark and it's been a bit of a rush finish. A quick look, it's rustic. Probably need a bit of strengthening at some point.